Okay, so hey guys, this is Rachit and welcome back to the channel. So today we are diving into the creative side of Python programming by learning how to draw beautiful spiral patterns using the Turtle module. Whether you are a beginner or completely looking for a fun project making to your coding journey, this tutorial is perfect for you. So grab a cup of tea or a coffee, open up your Python editor and let's get started. So first thing first, let's set up our environment. Make sure you have a Python installed on your PC or else computer, whatever you have, or a MacBook, whatever you have. Just make sure you have installed Python. If not, visit python.org and download it, the latest version. Once that's done, open your favorite code editor. I am using VS Code. So first of all, I will make one file and I will give it a spiral dot py. Okay, I have made the file that I want to make. So first of all, you need to install the package that is called Turtle. I have shown you in my previous video how to install. That is pip install Turtle and hit that enter. So it will give my requirement already satisfied because I have already installed it. So you have to make this sure that you have installed the Turtle library. Okay, so as you can see, required already satisfied, so I already have it. So let's start with importing the Turtle module. Then we will set up our canvas and our Turtle object. So I will import my Turtle. So I will import Turtle. So okay, I have just import my Turtle module and let's make some output screen. Okay, so this code initialize the Turtle graphics screen and create a Turtle object. We are also setting a drawing speed, so it may give us a super fast, that is this is one speed. So I will show you the output of this code. Okay, it's not holding. Wait, I will just make some changes. That is turtle dot exit on click. Okay, now it will hold the screen. Okay, so basically this is our screen, output screen. Okay, so that means we have done like this one. Okay, so I have given background color white and title spiral drawing. So an output screen we have a background white and a title of spiral drawing. Okay, now comes the fun part, drawing a simple spiral. To create a spiral, we will make the turtle move forward by increasing distance while turning slightly with each step. Here, so I will basically show you the code. So basically this is the code of making a spiral. I have given a condition over here, that is I in range 100 and it will move forward I into 5. That means 100 into 5, it will move forward, and I have given the degree, that is 45 degree. That means it will go as this one, like this. So basically I will show you on how to make. Okay, so wait, just I will make this here and I will save it. So boom. Okay, so run this code and watch the turtle draw measuring spiral on your screen. As you can see, this is a spiral drawing. This is our spiral. Basically it's not a perfect spiral, it's giving like a hexagon, maybe this 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, hexagon, but it's a spiral. So let's make our spiral more exciting by adding colors. The Turtle module allows us to change the pen color dynamically. So here's how you can do it. I will show you the code. So basically I have imported the random library. What it will do, the colors we have given here, this is our code. Okay, this is our code. The colors I have given red, blue, green, yellow, purple, orange. It will choose randomly color and it will implement on our spiral. So I will show you on output screen. As you can see here, it is implementing the colorful spiral model like this. Sorry, SPM, like I have SPM subject in my MCA, so spiral model. Okay, so this is your spiral. As you can see, it's going round, and so beautiful that showing the color. Basically just give me a second, I will make background like black. Okay, oh sorry, Okay, I have given the black. Now you can see it's so beautiful. Your spiral is ready to destroy each and everyone. Okay, so the beauty of coding is experimentation. Try changing the angle from 45 to 60 degrees or even 90 degree also. Play with the shape, size, or even add more complex logic to create unique patterns. So I will give you an example of this one. So basically I have changed here from 45 degree to 90 degree. So let's see what happens here. As you can see, now our spiral has become a square model. Feel free to mix and match the ideas to see what you can create. So let me change it from 90 to let's see 30. Okay, I'm doing 30, and as you can see here is your main spiral. It's a complete square, but it's not a complete square. Maybe we can give it 90 to, let's give it 60. Let's give it a try what will happen on 60. Okay, so on 60 it's making a hexagon. Okay, you can change anything you want, don't worry about it. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to creating a spiral using Python Turtle module. We hope this tutorial inspired you to explore the artist side of coding. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Until next time, happy coding. We will meet in next video of Python Turtle. So bye bye.